Mangoes and apples are picked from orchards and collected for mixed fruit jam factory.
The fresh fruits are loaded into trucks and transported to the mixed fruit jam factory. Fresh fruits like strawberries, mangoes, apples and oranges arrive at the factory to make mixed fruit jam. The fruits are washed thoroughly to remove dirt before turning them into mixed fruit jam.
Keep pouring the sugar.
Check the temperature, it's getting thick.
Bring the next batch of pulp.
The bricks levels are consistent with the last batch.
Good, let's finalize the report. The viscosity on this batch is perfect, but the acidity seems slightly high.
I agree. Let's adjust the blend ratio for the next run.
The viscosity looks perfect on this batch. Agreed, the refractometer reading is also spot on.
This batch looks good.
Check the fuel levels on the next pallet.
Careful with the stack on the left.
Bring the mango crates next.
We need more hands over here.
Subscribe to watch more factory process videos.